Hello, my name is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I'm going to be taking around this Audi approved used vehicle. So the vehicle featured today is this approved used Audi S3 Sportback Black edition with the S-tronic gearbox. Now this particular vehicle is also featured in the optional Glacier White Metallic paintwork, which has really give it that standout appearance. Now as we look towards the fantastic performance, this vehicle does feature a 2-litre turbocharged petrol engine which produces 310 PS and 400 Nm of torque, taking you from 0 to 62 in just 4.9 seconds. Moving on now to the exterior key features, we do find these fantastic LED headlights which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Moving down towards the alloys now, we find these S3 specific 19-inch 5-arm matte grey diamond turned alloys are part of the Audi Sport range, and they do look great against that white paintwork. To the side of the vehicle there is a rear privacy glass in which does keep those rear occupants from view, thus continuing that black and white theme. Moving towards the rear of the S3 we find those fantastic LED rear lights, and below this that fantastic rear diffuser with the slat inlays for added aggression with the 2 exhaust tips either side. Moving into the rear boot space now, where we do find up to 325 litres of storage capacity. It is a large amount for a performance vehicle of this size, and this can easily accommodate one larger suitcase as well as a few additional bags. Moving into the rear seats, we do find a full leather interior with the additional white stitching to complement the exterior. There's also a leather centre armrest which is folded down to present 2 useful cup holders, as well as the Isofix points neatly located across the back row. This vehicle is also fitted with the technology package, which does include that 3D surround Bang & Olufsen stereo. Moving into the front now, we do find this exceptional interior with a large amount of plush materials such as leather, alcantara and aluminium. With this being the black edition model, it does mean it comes with the full leather seats and does have the Audi Sport S logos. Above we find the virtual cockpit now, in which is featured the 2 digital rev counters. By pressing the view button on the left hand side and using the arrows, you can also edit what this screen says. Now to the centre of the dashboard we find this fantastic MMI touchscreen display, which is also featured the satellite navigation. Through this screen you can access your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Just below this we find the equally impressive digitalised dual zone climate control, which is very easily adjustable, and the heated seat functionalities are located either side of this for both front occupants. Moving above once again there is a reversing camera as well as the front and rear parking sensors, which does make this vehicle much easier to park, especially in the tighter spaces. So this vehicle does come with a minimum of 12 months warranty and a minimum of 12 months roadside assistance. For more information or to book a test drive, do give us a call now on 01785 899 417.